My girl, what you do to my mouth? I'ma teeth them, I'ma come to you gone. My real teeth them, I'ma come to you where you do the root canal and all them gone. What you do to my mouth? Look right there, sir. Look right there, sir. I forgot about, I have things to do at Christmas, almost Christmas now. I forgot about with my mouth like this, Toni-ann. What you do to my mouth? What you do to my mouth? What you do to my teeth them? And I said, I come to you, all the teeth you do the root canal and gone. Oh, yes, I gone. This gone. What you do to my mouth? Look on the teeth them. Look on this. What is this? What is this? See there? Two of them when you put in, come on, I don't understand it. I did a video earlier, and I said let me just do this again. Just so I can have it. And just so you guys can know. I'm gonna slow down because I'm so hurt and so emotional about it, but I'm gonna slow down so I can explain. A friend of mine recommended me to Toni-ann Racini from Innovative Dental. She have a dentist place in Kingston. She have one in Portmore, and she have one in Ochi, and she have one in Maypen. Toni-ann Racini, Innovative Dental. Anyways, a friend of mine recommended me to Toni-ann. I send her my dental x-rays and everything before I go down and ask her if this is something she can do and ask her her price. I compare the price and I say, alright, hers is a little bit cheaper. I say, alright, I go work with her. And moreover, like I said, somebody recommend me to her, so I'm comfortable going. And things say, you know, whatever. First thing what happened is that when I went down there, she do what she do, because I was supposed to do 2 root canal, 1 root canal over here, so 1 over here, so 2 root canal and 2 dental bridge. She do there when she put in the temporary dropout. I'm gonna insert the pictures and videos and everything, because I have everything recorded. I send her the picture. I say, Toni-ann, the teeth come out 3 times today. The teeth where she put in, it come out 3 times. So see, me even I talk funny because me now have no teeth at the side of my mouth because them they gone. Anyways, she said to me, say, I must come in. So the first thing, the temporary she put in, drop out. I go in and she do whatever she do. When I come back over here, I start to have little pain. A couple months after, I start to have pain. I call her and I tell her, I find one dentist over here. I don't live in Jamaica. I don't live in Jamaica. I find a dentist over here and I got the dentist and them do a complete x-ray on my face. The dentist said to me, the dentist was surprised. She said like, who did this? Because everybody was see the work what she do, just surprised and shocked as to the fucked up job what she do. You understand? The dentist said whoever did your dental work did an incomplete root canal. I said, what? She said the root canal is incomplete, as a matter of fact. She says a matter of time before them drop out. I send Toni-ann, I message Toni-ann, I was so distraught and whatever. I message Toni-ann and I explain to her. She started taking it offensive. She started, oh, the dentist didn't know what they talk about, and I saw them dentists they stay and them always try. I said, Toni-ann, this is facts. I said the paper here what she said, this is I don't understand what you mean. It is facts. So this is not somebody just accuse you or just make little remarks or whatever. This is facts. You understand that you did an incomplete root canal. Long story short, the girl not do nothing at all. I call her, I text her, she not answer the call, she not answer the text until when she feel her mind. Anyways, I keep on a reach out, no resolve. Anyways, last year, December 2024, I attended a wedding in Florida. I got the wedding, it was an evening wedding, start must say after 7, almost 8 o'clock. You know, I say at the wedding, the teeth drop out. See it here? The teeth. I don't know if you can see. See it there? The teeth what she put in my mouth, see it here? Drop out. I was so ashamed and embarrassed. The teeth what she put in drop out. One of it drop out, I say I call her and a ball. I couldn't even finish the evening. Picture your dress and there one event and the teeth drop out in the midlight and I one wedding me there. I call Toni-ann and I ball and I said to Toni-ann, say Toni-ann the teeth drop out and whatever. Then time that she get defensive again. Ophelia, I don't understand. And Toni-ann Racini, Innovative Dental. Innovative Dental, Toni-ann Racini. Mash up my mouth, mash up my life, everything. I not laugh from last year. From last year, I not smile. Me a girl will love laugh and skin my teeth and all of these things. I've not been able to smile and laugh. I pay pain. Everybody knows so them time a winter time and fine. You know so cold and teeth no agree. You understand? The teeth broke out, see there? Me now have no teeth over here, so none over here, so. The teeth them, see the two teeth them where she claims so she put in, where she bill. Bridge will charge me how much money? How much money she charge me? See them here? Come out and they're saying, man, see the teeth them there where she claims so she put in. Me reach out to Toni-ann. Me left over Florida, me come back home. Me come back home this in December. Cold time and snow, me come a freezing. You understand? I find out I got my dentist over here. When the dentist them see the dentist, me say everybody shot. This is a second dentist, you know. This is a second dentist I go to. I go to the dentist and when the man see the work, the man say, oh my goodness. Nobody can believe the look up. The man said the teeth not upon nothing. The girl said the little iron upon the teeth. The man said it is placed on nothing. The little piece of metal there is placed on nothing. You understand? The man says a matter of time before the next side come out. 2 days. 2 days after the man tell me that the teeth come out. So now I'm stuck. The two side of my mouth come out, the two teeth them come out, and this girl no want to pay me my money. Toni-ann Racini Innovative Dental. Me pay all this money, me never come to you, me never ask no favors. Me pay my money for a service, and you do an incomplete root canal. Till all the bridge where you do drop out of my mouth, no me if you walk up and down. Me don't even want to go out the road again. Me keep events, me host events, and me cannot perform, me cannot do my duties. I'm not smart since last year. You understand? And this girl refuse to pay me my money. Refuse to compensate me all the two teeth. Them she make me lose two teeth. The teeth where she claims I should do the root canal and the incomplete rotten out. Rotten out and broke off in my gum. Now them have to go put me to sleep. They have to now put me to sleep to slip my gum to take out them two teeth where she make me lose. And me I reach out to this girl that try to come to some resolve with her. She give me the run around. I tell me out and whatever. I say Toni-ann, pay me. Pay me the money when me pay you. Plus pay me for the two teeth them where you make me lose, because now I have to do a root can now I have to do implant, because it's at the close part of my mouth, it's at the front of my mouth. You understand? Me say second with me so I can go my merry ways. Me even say to her, so I go out of the country, me go Colombia or wherever, go get my mouth fixed, because it is very expensive over here. She said, Ophelia, no, and where you want to go, so she said, me have a dentist friend, so she have a friend in New York, where she said she gonna make him fix it. At first, I said, Toni-ann, no, me don't want to go to the next dentist friend or nothing, because me not trust that. You understand? She said, Ophelia, try it and whatever, please, and him so good and whatever. Long story short, because me want to resolve, and I want to deal with it. I say, alright. She give me the dentist number and tell him to talk to me and whatever. When I send him all my dental x-rays and everything, when he come up with a treatment plan, the man tell me, say $17,000. 17,000 USD. Me take the paper just as how the man, I'm not going to call the dentist name in New York. What she says, our friend, I'm have all of these information documented. Right? When I talk to the man send me say 17,000 and send me the treatment plan. I sent it to her. You understand? Because she got pay for it. 17,000. The girl said she not pay for nothing. All of a sudden, I have a text message where she even said to me she gonna give me a full refund. All of a sudden, Toni-ann send me this long message and tell me say she not pay for nothing. And she do for her job. And she build the teeth in a lab. Them teeth where you build in a lab. What am I gonna do them teeth where you build in a lab? You build them teeth in a lab for them, man. What is this? What is this? And you give me the run around from last year until now. I reach out to Toni-ann from last year, August. And I have the record of everything from I reach out to the girl and tell her that this comfort I have a cold time. I can't eat, I can't sleep, my face swell, I can't open my mouth when I try, I have to go to the road, I have to tie up my face with scarf. You understand? Because it's cold. And them teeth that when she make broke off up in my gum, I have to go take them out. You understand? Even the dentist when me go will tell me say exactly, and so shocked and appalled by the fucked up work that she did. They have never seen this yet. The dentist said they do not do bridges like that. How can she do that? They sent me a paper and said to me, so they have to sever the dentist relationship with me because they don't want a part of it. So even another dentist who don't know her from a canopy, them don't want a part of the little fucked up Listen. Toni-ann, me tell me have sleepless nights. Me I tell a girl, pay me. You have so many business. She tell me she not there for the glue what she use. She not understand that everybody will go to use satisfied. I am not. You did an incomplete job. Why you don't want to pay me? See them teeth, you gonna tell me say you're billing a lab. What them teeth you're billing a lab? Why them not in my mouth? Less than a year. Less than a year. Yeah, what is this? And you don't want to pay me my money? You have to pay me my money, girl. Me not dance at night time. Me not sell front. Me work hard. Right now I am currently unemployed. Where me must find money now after me pay you? Me not understand. Then you come give me the run around. Toni-ann receipt from Innovative Dental. You understand? Up until today day, this girl don't want to settle with me so me can move on. Unless she thinks me is a pussy. She answer her phone if and when she feel like. You understand? Let me tell you something, Toni-ann. Toni-ann, God not sleep. And me send you a voice out already. I'm going to say it to you again. Don't let me go down on my knee for you, girl. Don't let me go on my knees for you. Because God no play about me. Toni-ann Racine Innovative Dental in Portmore, in Kingston, Tree, Maypen, Clarendon, wherever you have your locations. You know you're of no good. And this is how you take people money and treat people like shit, my girl. Me say, the God when me serve, Toni-ann, the God when me serve, every eye water when my ball. Every eye water when my ball, Toni-ann, you are going to feel it. You hear me I tell you? Remember, you know. Remember, you are going to feel it. And if I the last day before my eyes close, you are going to feel it, my girl. And them 2 near what me have. Them 2 near what me have. Don't make me go up on my knee for you, my girl. See the teeth them here. Me can spend how much money. Me never know when the next one drop gone. See that? The next one drop because. See it here? See it here? What me for do with them teeth here? What me for do with them teeth here? Let me zoom. See there? See the teeth them there? See the teeth them there? Rotten out. See that? Me now have no teeth here, so me now have none here, so. The girl take my money and I want to pay my fees. See the teeth them here. See the teeth them here come talk about building a lab. He's a wicked and he's a whole heap of people who do this to you, my girl, and God not sleep. God not sleep. Remember me tell you that, you know. God not sleep. And every eye water when me ball, depend your girl. Every eye water, every pain when me feel, my girl, depend you. Every day when you lay down in your blood clot bed, I hope you're tormented for the rest of your blood clot life. You hear me I tell you? You hear me I tell you? God no play about me. Him no play about blood clot me. Him don't play about me.